Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. If you haven't yet, go down there and hit that subscribe button. We are going to do some TLC for the scalp today. Not just the scalp, the whole hair. It is winter time and I just took my protective style out and we're gonna do some TLC. We're gonna do a hair mask today and we're gonna do a hot oil treatment. I've never done that before, so I'm super excited for that. I got a new camera, so how do you guys feel about this quality and the sound? I'm very curious to know. But first, my hair is literally just in a bunch of I look crazy, but I just have a bunch of these little braids that I put them in. So right now I'm just gonna be using water and my fingers to unbraid them and detangle my hair, and then we're going for the mask. So I rinsed my hair a little bit, and now since it's like damp, I am actually going to be putting this concoction I made. This is my hair mask. This is too watery today because I didn't have enough mayonnaise, but what I put in it is egg, mayo, as much as I could out of that jar because it was almost empty. I put honey, I put onions because it helps stimulate hair growth, peppermint oil, basically just a bunch of goodies for the hair. It's super watery, so that's why this is here. And then we're just gonna coat the hair, mainly the scalp. I'm just separating the hair. I'm gonna keep this on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I used everything up in this. It was just so watery. It's literally dripping all over me. But about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and rinse. Okay, so we have our hot oil here. It's in a warm cup right now, heating up, and like all the oils are blending. There's so much oil in here, which I didn't expect. The oils I put in here are coconut oil, olive oil, I put some castor oil, I put peppermint oil, my fave. Oh, and I put shea butter. I'm warming this oil up. Hopefully it's not too warm. I rinsed my hair in the wash. I actually shampooed it really quickly. Anyway, I'm gonna watch my show and I'm gonna put this oil in my hair. I want it absolutely coated, but I want my scalp coated, literally coated. I'm going to probably section my hair and just coat it. And then I'm going to tie my hair up and go to bed. So y'all can watch me do my hot oil treatment. Let's hope the oil's not too hot in here. Wash day is a nightmare. I definitely used way more than I was expecting to use. It is 1 a.m. I'm tired. I look crazy. I get it. Okay, I understand. My hair is literally all oiled up. So I'm going to be using this bag to fall asleep. I really didn't have to get the biggest bag in the damn building, but I love using plastic bags. They just hold heat in your hair so well. And I'm gonna end it with a bonnet. So I look somewhat normal going to sleep tonight. Okay, this is what we're working with today. Has been a long day. One thing I do want to say about my face mask I used today is I should have strained it because we worked hard to get those little pieces of onion out of my hair. And I honestly feel like they're still in there. I wash my hair at shampoo, and I just pick them out pretty much. That's why it took so long, I feel like. Anyway, this is now my go-to oil to use on my hair. I'm gonna go to bed, and tomorrow I'm going to oil my hair again. And I'm going to do the LOC method, and then I'm going to do like a quick protective style for my hair, like super quick. And when I mean quick, I mean literally like just like 2 cute little like Dutch braids or something. I don't know, just something easy and quick. Giving my hair a break and not giving it too much manipulation, but I've been proud of myself. I've been doing pretty much monthly hair masks for my hair. I wish I could do more, but with school and everything, my hair is not something I want to be doing weekly, let me tell you. This is how much hair loss I have. But yeah, anyway, I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow because girl, I am tired.
Tomorrow.
It's the next day. This has been on my hair all night. It's literally like damp. I can still feel that it's like wet. That's the one thing that I like about plastic bags because they literally insulate everything. So I love that it's still wet. We don't have to damp it. So what I'm actually going to be doing today, I love this stuff. My sister's hairstylist recommended this. Garnier Fruit Teas Active Fruit Protein Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner Cream. So I'm gonna put this in my hair, and I might put some more oil, but I'm definitely going to be putting this cream because the hair is, it's just soft and wet. I'm just proud of the hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be watching some YouTube videos while taking my cream. About that much. This stuff smells literally heaven, like heaven. Make sure you get the roots. Make sure you get the ends, but the roots are the most important because the root of your hair is the most healthiest of the hair, so we want to protect that. I like that the ends don't feel dry, which is great. Put the oil in there a little bit. Take a little bit of the oil and put it on the tips of my hair. But yeah, let's watch my videos and get into this. We are done with the hair. Honestly, I did not do a good job of finger combing today, but I'm honestly tired. Like, y'all understand, when you're working on your hair for a long time, you get exhausted. So I'm actually gonna split the hair down the middle for this protective style that I wanna do. I'm gonna figure this out, and then I'll get back to you guys, because I'm having some trouble in natural hair paradise. Okay. We're done. I did 2 of these up here. I did like something over there. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. It's not even... Can you guys tell I'm exhausted and I'm over doing my hair today? It's literally going to be wrapped up like this for the next couple of days until I can get enough strength to figure out a natural protective style that I have the energy for. So if you guys have any tips, let them know. I'm currently learning how to like cornrow my hair, but I think a lot of it has to do with I'm not detangling my hair properly, so it's a little trickier with that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this quality. This video is long, but with this new camera, I'm excited to see how it turned out. I have one more video on next Monday, which is going to be about how to get glass skin on another skincare video, which you all know. Or if you don't know, now you know. I love skincare videos and they do really well on my channel because everybody's trying to improve their skin. Even if you got the best skin in the world, you want to improve it. But after that, I am going to be doing Vlogmas this year again, so stay tuned. I'm actually going to go buy a tripod for this camera, like a small one, so that I can do Vlogmas and vlog this year. I'm so excited. We are in a dang pandemic, so lockdowns are happening, but I still have so much Christmas activities that I want to do. I want to go ice skating. I want to do gingerbread houses. I want to go look at Christmas lights. It's Christmas. The festivities are endless, and I'm excited for Vlogmas to start, and I hope you guys are excited too. Anyways, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, or leave a comment or a like. Just like, let me know you're here. Hello. Thank you guys so much for watching again. If you have any tips for me, I'm always open for some 4C hair tips or natural hair tips in general. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you Friday. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.
Oh, and my camera is dying. Perfect timing.